Hello friends, myself Advocate Pooja Kumari. Today I am here to share something again with you all. I met some of my colleagues who are in practice as full-time practitioner in legal field, and they were sharing their own experiences. They were saying that it is very difficult in our initial stages to do practice independently, and we are unable to leave our seniors, how to get clients, how to be independent, no. So they said juniorship is also very important. Then I told them, because I am now independent and independently doing my law practice, despite many comments, many discouragements, financial issues in the beginning days, I never lost hope. And being an inspiration to all my colleagues and juniors, I started taking cases independently. And I always believe that you are never grow so old to uh, stay quiet when you have some doubt. You should always ask your seniors, your colleagues. I have seen many seniors who still discuss their cases, case law points with each other, and I have learned from them a lot. I have seen no advocate is so senior that he never discusses uh, legal points, law points with each other. So I'm not saying that you should disclose your cases, but law points can be discussed at any time with anybody who is mature enough to answer or discuss with you. So this is what I feel. Being independent is not impossible, but not so easy also. Um, the question is this, that how you will get the cases. An answer is, never stop going to the courts, never stop sitting in the courts, observing cases, judges handling the cases so well. You have to see each and everything. Even though if you are not having cases, you will learn how to take up your own matters, and gradually people will see you as advocate. They will start coming to you. In your neighborhood also, behave very decently, elegantly, and maintain the decorum of our profession. People will understand automatically that you are an educated person. Now, when it comes to our profession, we cannot advertise it, right? But we can obviously help each other in our area. Like, many don't know how to write letters to the authorities when there is an issue in the society. Many don't know when there is an illegal construction is going on, what to do, where to approach. But you know where to approach, then you help them, guide them as an advocate. See, without going against our professional ethics, we can maintain the dignity and honor of our profession by being socialized in our neighborhoods, uh, going and meeting people. Going court every day is a very important factor to gain confidence, to gain trust in yourself. And believe me, when I was not having cases for the entire 1 year, I was not having a single case with me. You cannot believe how I was feeling without cases. But gradually and strongly in my heart, I was having this strong faith that one day I will get the cases. And I never ever avoided courts on working days. It is like a temple for me. Without going and seeing the court, I can never remain silent at home. So if you want to practice law, you come out of your homes, wear smartly, dress up smartly, wear your dresses smartly, hmm? Take your notepad or something, pen and etc. something with you. Wear your band, wear your coat smartly, and sit in the courts. See how cases are going on. Gradually, people will see you as a good advocate. You will gain knowledge also. So this is what I have learned from my profession. And one thing is also there. When I was not having any cases with me, I used to keep studying, keep studying. People used to laugh at me. Then, what are you studying? What are you reading? I used to say I'm studying these case laws and reading acts and all. It is true that you will not remember at that time, but when you will start getting cases become so personal to you that you will start learning acts and sections on your own. Now I have started because when I'm filing bails, when I'm filing these petitions before high court or district courts, and when I'm filing applications, I know how to do it. So when you will start getting work, you will automatically learn all things gradually. But till then, you have to be patient enough, confident enough, and never avoid courts. Come, attend the court, be humble, don't be arrogant in front of the seniors or in front of the clients. Be neutral. It is very difficult to stay neutral, I understand, but I try my best. Earlier, I never knew how to handle clients, but trust me, people call me to talk to their clients so that they may, you know, they may listen, they may understand. Some of the advocates, they are so expert in dealing clients, and clients are not just the clients, it is human life, and we have to deal it with dignity. Then only we will be reaching somewhere high. So I will just say, keep reading, keep watching, keep observing, keep moving in the courts, and you will succeed. All the best to my juniors, to my all colleagues, and all those who are wondering from where we will get cases, from where we will get money. Money is a big factor in the initial days, but you will gradually succeed. Start drafting for senior advocates who are having work in bulk. Start appearing for the advocates who are requiring some juniors. You know, for some there are many advocates who need advocates for appearances, for drafting, for filing. You can do all these things. Meanwhile, you can also work for yourself to get clients, to walk towards the progress. I am also working, you also work with me, and we will one day achieve success. There is no point that we cannot argue before the court. We can always do anything as per the law, but never get ever discouraged that if someone is saying judge will not listen you because of your age, because of your appearance. It is nothing like that. It is everything about your confidence and knowledge. Thank you all of you. Keep watching me for more updates in law and legal experiences with me. Thank you.